Do you struggle with being organized? Are you looking to make a fresh start for next year? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about 7 organizing projects to tackle before year's end here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And at the time of this recording, we are coming up on the end of another year. So ask yourself, how am I doing? Would I like to make some changes? Am I feeling stressed about the amount of clutter in my home or in my life? Well, if that is the case, then this is the video for you. As the year draws to a close, now is the time to tackle some organizing projects to give you a leg up to make a fresh start next year. Whether you want to declutter your space, whether you're trying to streamline your routines, or just feel more in control. Here are 7 organizing projects that you can do before the year is over. Sound good? Let's dive in. The first project is to declutter your closet. Go through your closet, make an afternoon of it, donate items that you're no longer wearing, organize the keepers of your clothing by season, and invest in matching hangers or storage bins. A tidy closet can make your morning time smoother and help you keep track of your wardrobe, which is a great way to start the day off fresh. The second project that you can tackle before the end of the year is to organize your kitchen pantry. Go through your pantry, tossing out expired items, and group the similar food items together. And then use clear containers or bins for staples like rice or pasta or snacks. And make sure that you label all your bins and shelves for easy access and to make it easier to maintain a newly organized pantry. Fun fact, after I make this recording this afternoon, this is actually on my to-do list. I like to go through my kitchen once a year, and this is the time I like to do it to give that organizing boost and refresh. The third project that you can tackle is to streamline your digital files. Set aside time to clean up your computer desktop, organize your files into folders, and back up important documents. Delete old emails and unsubscribe from newsletters that you no longer read. Keeping your digital life uncluttered is just as important as keeping physical spaces in your home and office uncluttered. In particular, if you're looking for some tips on how to delete old emails, check out this video that I made. I think you'll find it helpful. The fourth project is to refresh your entryway. So organize shoes, coats, and bags in your entryway. Add some hooks or baskets or even a small bench for storage. Having a welcoming and organized entryway will set a positive tone every time you walk through the door. It's a nice way to come home. The fifth project to tackle before the end of the year is to sort through your holiday decorations. As you're going to put up or take down holiday decorations, make sure that you're tossing out the broken items and donating unused ones. And then make sure that you store your holiday decorations in labeled bins to make next year's decorating easier. And if you're using multiple bins for a holiday, make sure that you separate the items so that the friends are together, as you could see in the photo here. The sixth project is to tidy up your home office. So sort through paperwork, shred old documents, organize your office supplies, refresh your workspace with a deep clean, and if needed, rearrange the furniture to improve your productivity. The last project that you can tackle before the year's end is to make a plan for next year. So go through your calendar and schedule key dates for next year. Order a new planner if you haven't already. Jot down your goals and organize your bills and your receipts so that you can start the year with clarity. If you take on these organizing projects before the end of the year, that could bring you a sense of accomplishment and peace. Just start with one project at a time, whatever speaks to you, and you will enjoy the benefits of a well-ordered home and life as you step into the new year. I hope you found this video helpful. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.